You're about to watch my honest review of my brand new Douglas mattress. This is a king size memory foam cooling gel mattress. All right, our good morning Douglas mattress has just arrived at our house. We've got the Douglas mattress here in a king size with 2 memory foam Douglas pillows that came along with it. So I'm going to show you guys kind of the room transformation and see how we take it from our current messy room to a nice new room with a lovely bed. Stay tuned.
Hours later.
For this video, I've partnered with a company called goodmorning.com. They're a Canadian brand and there's a mattress for every sleeper. Douglas is just one of the many mattresses they have to offer. They also offer free shipping, free delivery, and a mattress exchange program where you can actually return your used mattresses in order to help those who maybe can't afford a bed on their own. In partnering with Douglas and goodmorning.com, I do have an affiliate link. So if you'd like to support me, go check out my affiliate link that's posted in the description. You'll be able to check out all of the mattresses and beds that goodmorning.com has to offer, as well as view reviews from other customers and check out what they have to say about the products. So here we are just assembling our bed frame and we're going to unbox the mattress shortly. My mattress arrived to me in less than a week, which was super phenomenal. When you order something new, especially like a bed, something that you can't wait until it arrives, it's always so hard to wait. So it got to my doorstep in less than a week. It was delivered in this box. It was super easy to handle on my own and very manageable. So I was able to actually bring it inside, bring it upstairs on my own, which was a huge bonus, especially if you do live alone and are ordering a mattress for yourself and don't have anybody that can help you set it up. It's super easy to do on your own. Okay, we're back. We're gonna open up the mattress now. We've got it upstairs. Bed frame is ready. So we're gonna unbox it and watch the magic happen. You guys, I thought this part was so cool. After we got it out of the box, watch how quickly this thing expands. First I had to roll it out of all of the protective plastic. Then we loaded it up on the bed frame, got it going the right direction, and put it down on the frame. As soon as we started to tear the plastic off, this thing puffed right up. It was absolutely crazy to see how quickly it expanded after coming out of such a tiny box. I'm gonna stand here and fall onto the bed. What are you gonna do? Stand here and fall onto the bed. Come on. Oh, wow! That's quite comfy!
Whoa, that is really comfy.
Holy cow! Ow, God! Along with the mattress, goodmorning.com also gifted us 2 memory foam pillows. So here we are unboxing the pillows. They're given to us in a compact way, just like the bed, and then they puff up. Here's Braun testing it out for the first time and then trying to eat it. So the pillows are nice and comfy. You can see that they're all expanded here, sitting on the mattress and testing it out. The material makeup of the mattress is amazing. It's 3 layers of foam. The first of which is a cooling layer, then the second is for balance and support while sleeping on it, and then the third is a motion isolating layer, so you can actually get a good night's sleep because then your husband, your partner, whoever it may be, is not moving around and upsetting you in the night.
Good boy. Such a handsome guy.
So there you have it, guys. There's our unboxing and our first authentic thoughts of our Douglas mattress. We've now been sleeping on the mattress for about a week and we have only good things to say about the mattress. We've been very impressed with the sleeps that we've been getting, and of course the room that we have in our larger bed because we had a queen before, so the upgrade is welcomed. Last couple things I wanted to touch on was the amazing perks that goodmorning.com has to offer. So all of their mattresses are sold with a 15-year warranty along with a 120 night sleep guarantee. So you can actually try this bed out for 120 nights before you decide whether you are happy or not with the bed, which I find very amazing. And as well, they're also very reasonably priced. So our bed would have cost 849 Canadian dollars for the king size mattress, and they have models starting at about $599. All in Canadian prices. Love supporting Canadian brands. I highly recommend that you go check out my affiliate link below to direct you to the website. And if you feel as though you would like to purchase one as well, don't forget to click on that link before you do so. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.